Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add effects only to the overlay on CapCut PC. So I will be using this video as an example and this as the background. And I'm just going to move the video and put it on top of the other video, like on top of the background. So for instance, I only want, hold on, let me just change the, okay, so I only want the effect to go on the overlay and I don't want it to be on the background. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to effects first, go to video effects, and choose the one you want basically. So I am going to add in this edge glow. Actually, that won't show up on the background. Maybe this chromosome one? Okay. And I only wanted to affect the overlay. So add in all of the overlays, the effects you want on the overlay, and just select all, right click, and then select create compound clip, and as you can see, it will only affect the overlay. But that's basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found it helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!